I just finished adding your articles section to your website, and let me show you how to, well, first let me show you I can't unfortunately control the order of your links as much as I wanted to. So I'll show you why. So that's A, and B, I'll show you how to add a new post that'll show up under your new articles page here. So this is just something I made up to have something there for now. I'll get your logo back in there. I'm not sure why that went missing. Okay, so first thing, your theme right now, the version of it doesn't allow you to change the order of things on your homepage. So it's unless you upgrade it, unless you upgrade to the pro version. And we can talk about that. We can do that if you'd like. I don't think it's too expensive, but until then, this is the order that things have to be on your homepage. I can't just drag and drop to rearrange the order. I guess you can do that with the pro version from what I read. So these links on your homepage kind of get configured based on the order of things back in here. And as you can see, the blog section is down at the very bottom of all this stuff. And this actually isn't working properly. When I try to unhide it, I'll show you. It doesn't show your articles. So I found a different way to show them. It's trying to show them. You can see it's adding another link. But when I click on that and it takes me down here, they're not showing up. So I went ahead and hid that. And then I just added another link after all this stuff that gets created as links up here. I went ahead and added another link just on its own. So this is like a separate mini menu from all these links because these are coming from your homepage settings in your theme. So anyway, I hope all that makes sense. You don't need to totally worry about that, but I just wanted to show you where I'm coming from on this. So this will take you to your new articles page, which is now going to automatically update with blog posts that you write. So I'll show you how to do that now. So we'll just kind of recreate this one here. You're going to go into your dashboard. You're going to go to posts. You're going to click add new. You're going to give it a title. You're going to write some copy in here. And maybe you can go and embed a YouTube video. I think you know how to do that, but let me know if you don't. And to set an image to show up on the article's landing page, that's going to be called your featured image for that blog post. So whatever image you want to show is like the main image to represent that post, you're going to upload it here. You're going to come down to featured image, set featured image. We'll pick a different one this time. So you can upload it. If it's a new image, once it's uploaded, it'll be in your media library. You're going to select it, whichever image you want to use, and then you're going to pick, you're going to click on set featured image. So it'll go there. Then once you're done writing your blog post in here, you're going to publish it. I would actually, one more detail, I would recommend always working in the text tab versus the visual tab, because the visual tab WordPress tries to give you a representation of what your blog post will look like on your website. However, it's not always accurate, and what ends up happening is it ends up adding a bunch of extra code. See how I just added a couple, I hit enter a few times and it added all that. So I'm not a fan of the, don't mind my dog dreaming in the background. I always recommend working in the text tab for this reason, so you don't get a bunch of extra HTML. That's all you really need to know about this. If you have any questions though, just let me know. You can use this. This is called your kitchen sink. You can make something bold right here. This is adding the HTML for you. You can italicize it. You can add a hyperlink to it. You would copy and paste it, whatever link it is. This is how you would do that. I always suggest clicking this, especially if it's to a different website than your own, so that people always come back to your own website. You can link to other pages in your own website here, and in that case, you can maybe uncheck that. But that's how you add a link. Let me know if you have any questions about formatting. We can come back to that. But anyway, so then you click publish. Oh, one more thing. If you want to end up using categories, like say you're eventually going to write a lot of articles and you're going to have maybe posts that go under training information. Maybe you'll have a post that's all about nutrition. Maybe you have a post that's about warm-ups, cool down, whatever your categories might be. This is where you would add that category. So I already added your first one for you, but to create a new one, you would just come in here, click add new, and it'll be categorized under nutrition. And so that will grow over time, but that's how you would do that. We'll go ahead and publish, and I'll take this down right away. Don't worry. So now that that's published, we're going to go back to your articles page. I'm going to refresh this. Yep, and it should show up. So this is really big. Let me know if you want me to make it not a full width page. We can talk about that. People can click the title to learn more and read the full article. But that's that. That's how you got to post.